Hey everybody, Tyler here with the Rise Group at Compass in Seattle, Washington. Today we are going to be talking of 4 cities, talking 4 specific numbers to help you understand where the market is and look at trends to see where the real estate market is going. So let's go ahead and jump into that. Okay. So the number one piece of data that we are constantly looking at is the market action index. If you can imagine driving down the freeway, right? And you're driving 60 miles an hour, 70 miles an hour. When you move from 60 to 70, you feel that momentum and you realize that you are going faster. Well, currently we are seeing trends where the market is starting to feel like it's moving faster. And so the market action index is the number that is indicating that speed. So if you look at it like a speedometer in your car, from 0 to 30 is a buyer's market, which means there's less buyers out there and there's more inventory out there than buyers want, right? From 31 to 100 is a seller's market, which is showing you that there's more demand or more buyers than there are houses to be able to sell. So currently we're at a 56 in Seattle, Washington. As of last month, we were at a 53. If you look at Bellevue, Washington, let's go over east, we're currently at a 36. Last month, we were at a 39. So the Bellevue market is actually slowing down, even though it's technically in a seller's market. If you look at Edmonds, Washington, going further north, we're at a 55, which as of last month, we were also at a 55. So that's saying that the market has maintained, that inventory has maintained, but the number of buyers has also maintained. And then in Sammamish, Washington, where I live, we're currently at a 65, and last month we were at a 64. So let's go back to Seattle and let's actually look at the trend. So what can we expect moving forward? Well, this is a graph showing the market action index, and it's showing a historical market period, right? If you think about January, typically things are slower, and then you get into February, March, April, and we all often say March, April, May is the best time to be able to sell your house because ultimately there's more demand and the speed of the market is at its best. When you get into June, July, and August, there's typically more inventory than there are people looking to buy, which means that the market starts to slow down. And as we head into the holiday season, naturally, people don't want to move during the holiday season. The market flattens out. So our expectation is actually that this will continue to move up, that the market action index will actually move up into March, April, and May, and ultimately be the better time to sell will be in March, April, or May. Same situation if we look at Edmonds. It's a little bit more sporadic as far as that goes, but again, you can see this trend line, it's been moving down. We expect it to start moving back up. Bellevue, Washington, also same thing. It's been moving down during the holiday season. Well, actually, it's gone down quite substantially during January. But again, the expectation is as inventory increases, there will be more demand. And then Sammamish is actually moving up quite substantially. The bottom was around October, December, things kind of flattened out during the holiday season, and it's actually been moving up and to the right. So hopefully that helps answer the question for you, how the market is. If you have any questions for us, please don't hesitate to reach out. We'd be more than happy to pull this information for your specific neighborhood and also put together a comparative market analysis so you know exactly what your house is going to be going for because each market is different. Thanks so much for listening. Grateful for you. Hope you have a wonderful week.